Why family meal prep matters.
Meal prepping saves time, reduces stress, and helps you make healthy choices. For busy families, planning dinners ahead means less scrambling and more quality time at the table. Prepping also makes it easier to involve kids in cooking, which can encourage them to try new foods. A little preparation leads to healthier habits everyone can enjoy.
Kid-approved ingredients for healthy meals.
Kids are more likely to enjoy meals with familiar flavors and fun textures. Choose lean proteins like chicken or turkey, whole grains such as brown rice or quinoa, and colorful vegetables like carrots, peas, or bell peppers. Having a few favorite dips or simple sauces on hand can make veggies more exciting and encourage variety without sacrificing nutrition.
Simple meal prep strategies.
Plan your meals for the week and prepare ingredients in advance. Batch cook staples like grilled chicken, roasted veggies, or cooked greens. Store them in clear containers so kids can help pick and assemble their plates. Use divided lunch boxes for portion control and add a fruit or yogurt for a balanced, appealing meal.
Making mealtime fun and inclusive.
Invite kids to help with meal prep by washing veggies, stirring sauces, or assembling wraps. Giving children choices, picking their toppings, or mixing ingredients can increase their interest and willingness to try new dishes. Turn dinner into a family event to foster healthy eating habits and meaningful conversations.
Easy recipe ideas to get started.
Try sheet pan dinners with chicken and assorted veggies, build your own taco bowls, or pasta with hidden vegetables in the sauce. Keep flavors simple, but let kids customize their meals with sides or toppings. With a little creativity and planning, healthy dinners can become a favorite family ritual that even picky eaters enjoy.